everyone. So in this video I'm going to share with you a platform that was launched today, which is November 1st, and how you can earn massively with this platform, guys. So just watch this video to the end and you see how to sign up and how to perform your task and how to make more money with this platform, guys. So with that being said, let's dive into the video, guys. So if this is your first time seeing my videos on YouTube, please kindly smash the subscribe button, turn on the post notification so you won't miss any videos when I drop it on this channel, guys, because I always drop updates that pays on this channel. So with that being said, let's dive into the video. So the platform we're going to be looking at today is called Goldmall. This platform was launched today, November 1st. So what you have to do is to click the link in the description, then you will take you to the sign up form you are seeing here. This is the sign up process. What you need to do is put in your full name, you can see that avoid space when putting your username. Don't put some then give space, then put your no. You put your name, everything will be together, so you don't need to give gap. Once you are putting your full name, putting your username, your email, then put your phone number. Then my referral code is also in the description, you put it right here. Then this coupon code is what you are paying for, which is 3,000 naira to sign up on this platform. Don't worry, you will earn back your money and more with this platform, guys. So what you have to do is just to contact me with the number you are seeing on the screen for you to get your coupon code. So once you have gotten, you have paid for the coupon code, you get it, then you copy it and put it right here. Then once you are done, you just click on your put in your password, then click sign up, means you agree to all terms and conditions. You click on sign up. So I've already signed up on this platform. Let me log in and show you my account and also how you can earn more with this platform, guys. So what I have to do is just to put in my username and password, then I click on sign in. So once I click on sign in, you can see my account. So once you log in the first time on this platform, you have registered, they will give you 2,000 naira. So once I perform the task, I got 400. So because you get 400 daily. So let me quickly show you how it works and how you can earn more, guys. So what you have to do once you have registered, the first thing you need to do is to click on these three dots right here, then click on account setting. So once you click on this account setting, it's going to redirect you to your account. So what you have to do is to just leave this process. You have done it before. You have to put in your account number, put your account details, put your account number and the account name and bank name. So once you have done that, the next thing you have to do is to put your social details. And these social details, what you have to do is, if you have only Facebook or Twitter or Instagram or YouTube, if you have only those, just copy your link, your profile link from any of these platform. You just need one social account though. So once you have, if for example you have Facebook, you copy your link, your profile link, you put it here in all of them. You can see I use my Twitter link. You can see I put in my Twitter link in my Facebook URL, my Twitter URL, my Instagram URL, and my YouTube URL is also all the link here is for my Twitter account. So you click on save. So once you have done that, you just need to come back again and click on sponsored post. So this is how you will earn with this platform. You earn 400 daily. So let me show you how to complete your sponsored post and how you can also earn up to 2,000 naira daily. So let me just do the sponsored post and see. Let's just wait for you to look, guys. So as you can see, sponsored post for today has been completed. I have completed my sponsored post for today. But if you have not completed yours, you will see they'll put in image here. What you have to do is to download that image, copy the text, then click on share. You just need to click on share, then you will share it on either your Facebook, any of your handle, either your WhatsApp status or your Facebook profile or anything. Just share it. That's just it. Then you earn 400. So once you have earned that money, once you have done it, you come to your dashboard, then you will see your earnings. It's very easy. So you see your earnings right here. It will add up to this place. So let me quickly show you how you can earn more with this platform. If you want to refer though, but if you don't want to refer, you can just be doing your task every day and you'll be getting 400. So but if you want to take it to the next level, you want to refer, you click on this affiliate, click on affiliate right here. So you can see this affiliate where you can just copy your link. Once you copy your affiliate link, so what you have to do is to refer your friends. When you refer one person, you get 2,000 naira. Okay, you can see how powerful this platform is. So once you refer one person, you get 2,000 naira. Imagine referring 3 people a day, you see you'll be earning 6,000 naira daily. So you can see how it works. It's very easy, but if you don't want to refer, you can be completing your task and be getting 400 naira daily. And you can also do a lot of things on this platform. You can put buy data with your earnings. You can buy data with your earnings, and you can also do a lot of things right here. You can purchase a skill. You can also do shopping on this platform, guys. Let me show you how everything works here, guys. So let's just wait for it to load. So what you have to do if you want to buy your airtime, you click on select network, you select it. I'm using Glow. I click on Glow. I click on select plan. Select. You can see that 500 will give you 1.35 gig. So you just click on 1000 will give you 2.9 gig. You click, let me just use this, and then you put in your phone number. If you have that in your balance, you put it there. You click on proceed. Then they will deduct it from your earnings, your activities earnings. You can see data can only be bought with your activities earning, which is when you are earning 400 per day. So you can use it to buy data for yourself, and you can also use it to buy data for some people if you want to do that. But if you want to purchase skill, so let me show you how to withdraw first. Okay, let me show you how to withdraw from this platform. Remember I told you earlier that you should fill in your bank details. So once you have done that, you click on default. You click on you can see activities wallet. I have 2,400 naira. So this referral wallet, I have nothing. But if I want to withdraw from this activities wallet, you need about 8,000 to withdraw from this thing. So you can see I'm having 2,400. So I just need to add like 6,000 to it. Then I will get the 8,000 and I will withdraw. Then I put in the amount and click on withdraw, and I will get it instant on my bank account. So that's how to do it. This is the Goldmall shopping. You can just go for it. You can see it. This Goldmall shopping is like if you want to buy ladies. This like you want to buy things here. So this is what you get. If you want to buy handbag, you want to buy a shoe and all those stuff, you can get it with your activities earning. So this one costs about 800 GMC, which is about 5,000 naira. So you can get it with your activities earning. So if you want to get this bag, you can get it with your activities earning once you have getting about 8,000 from your activities earning. So what you have to do is you can see this shoe right here. You can purchase all these things right here. So this is how to do it. But I'm not purchasing anything because I will need to wait for my own to reach the minimum withdraw. Then I please withdraw. So that's what I'm doing. So that's how to earn with this platform, guys. So if you have any question though, you can just message me on the number you are seeing on the screen to get you registered, and also get your coupon code so that you can register. So if you have any question, you can also join my WhatsApp group in the description. You can click on the link in the description to join my WhatsApp group, and also you get updates there as well. I always drop updates on how you can also make money online. So just join the WhatsApp group. It's free to join, so you get access to all my updates I'll be dropping every single day. So this is how to do it. This is how to run this platform, guys. So this is the best time to join this platform now because it's still new and still fresh. So just message me and I will get you registered to you start earning, guys. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also smash the red subscribe button, turn on the post notification so you don't miss any video when I drop this type of content, guys. So thank you, and I hope you stay safe. Peace.